Hello guys, this is Jenny Paper Machine. This time I'll take you to visit the OCC line and bring some wonderful travels of paper machines. Are you looking forward to it? Come and follow my footsteps. The first to appear is OCC with the paper conveying equipment, chain conveyor. Chain conveyor is especially suitable for transporting those materials into pulper, such as with the paper. The raw materials are conveyed by conveyor chain or bent to their discharging point, where they fall into pulper. The D-type hydraulic pulper is put behind the chain conveyor. This special shape changes the flow path of the pulp in the trough of circular hydraulic pulper, thereby improving production capacity. Inclined screen is widely used in medium and small cc pulping mills. The equipment does not require motor transmission and continuous washing, so equipment investment is low and operating costs are low. This mill has many low consistency cleaners. The specific number depends on the number of production lines. Different slurries require different low consistency cleaners. The next thing that comes into our view is a fourdrinier screen, which is suited for small production mills and widely used in paper recycling mills for paper pulp cleaning and screening. Right now, what we are going to introduce is a reject separator. Reject separator is mainly used for the separation of cold steel pulp up to the fiber separator and the pressure screen. The next one is also a type of pressure screen. It is called a medium consistency pressure screen. And next, Jenny will take you on the journey into the paper making process of the paper machine. Now we're looking at the triple wheels paper making machine. At last step OCC, the good pulp enters the head box, and then the paper making process begins. The good pulp first enters the forming part. The main function of the forming part is to form the good pulp and remove a small amount of water from it. Then it enters the pressing section. Here, one press section. Then it enters the pressing section. Here, one pre-pressing and two jump rolls pressing are used. Pre-press creates conditions for subsequent process through multi-stage dehydration, and the jump rolls provide stable pressure in the key forming link. The combination of two can optimize the paper sheet structure. However, in the current paper machine, the first two steps can only remove 46% to 50% of the water, so there is a third step of drying. Through the drying effect, drawing paper reaches the qualified dryness so that it can enter the calendar and pulp reading stages. After the basic paper making process, a calendar is set up here to improve the smoothness and the gladness of paper surface, improve the thickness and uniformity, thus increase the surface properties of the paper. At this point, the paper making process is complete. Finally, the finished paper is collected by the pulp reel. At this point, the paper process Finally, the finished paper is collected by the pulp reel. At this point, the paper making process is finished.